Alright, it's June 19th. Happy Juneteenth to everyone. Just starting to get some grain. Just getting a little sample here. Initial thoughts, Chandler?
Well, first off, I'd like to point out this little thing.
What is that?
That's a crevice, or a crease, or a
Crevasse.
pincher, or a ravine, or a indention, or a river. I'd like to point that out.
Who's that over there?
That's our real dad. Where is he? Is he hiding?
Hiding. Well, not quitting time.
So, Dad, it's, what day is it?
June 20.
How much rain did we get, Dad?
Mom says 9 inches in town. So have we officially started farming, or have we officially started harvesting, Chandler?
Yep. How much, did we get caught yesterday, Dad?
160 bushel?
165 bushel. It's making about 15,000 metric tons per acre.
Alright, it is August. It's June 22nd. There's rain coming. We're actually getting some things done. And there's rain coming, like always. Just cut a galloon out. So yeah, that's wheat. Look at that. Look at that flowing in. This is a 9610 John Deere combine. Oh my gosh. And that's case 2188. That meaning somewhere in that direction behind me. First day of harvest, we got rained out. It was a couple days ago, about the 20th or the 19th, one of those days. It's a bit muddy in places, but we got rained out day one of harvest. Hadn't had rain in 12 years, I think, and then it poured. Scott City drowned, and now it's about to do it again.
Well, it's June 22nd. Just started cutting again after our 5 inches of rain. You know, weather patterns change, Chandler. We go from dry to wet in a matter of days. It's cyclical. Come on, Chandler, you got this. Keep it on the road!
Do you think Dad's gonna have a hard time driving that semi on the dirt road?
Oh, it's the Mac. That thing can handle anything.
The Mac.
The Mac. We got to town just in time. We went to town. We've cut 12 acres or so in about 4 days. By next Wednesday, you guys will be. Fugazi, it's there he is.
Yes. What time is it, Elizabeth?
5:47.
Dad was going.
It's June 26th, 2018 wheat harvest. Jason's in the 2188. Just got here today. It is wet. My tires are muddy. Help, please. I can't wait for those L3s to get in here and cause all sorts of issues. So what's up, guys? Okay, I gotta go, bye. We'll see who turns their lights on first. Whoever turns their lights on first is a bitch. Wow, look at that quality. 2018, 1976. 2018, 1976. April 26th. It's not April though. Wednesday, June 27th, 2018, wheat harvest, summer. Still on the same field. It's making me sleepy. Not because we're on the same field, but just I'm getting sleepy. Oh man, this is wheat, and it is harvest, and this is a combine. There's the moon. Saturn should appear right there very soon. Tonight it will be the brightest it will be all year. And that's interesting, right? It's 8:22 p.m. It's Thursday, June 28th, 2018, wheat harvest. I think we're on field number 3. Anyways, I'm cutting wheat, and those are trucks, semis. No one's on the grain cart anymore because we don't need them because that's Jason right there. This is wheat. We're finishing up this. There's Todd Jansen finally. He decided to show up. Look over here and smile. It is Friday, the 29th of June 2018. And so Todd Jansen just arrived to help out. Sadly, we got rid of Juan Decimo and Tomas. And this wheat is terrible. Very thin. It tastes like crap. And also, remember how Todd just got here and now all these clouds are coming in? I remember that as well. Because it's happening right now. If it rains, I'm going to be mad. It is 7:52, June 30th, 2018 wheat harvest. I'm in a combine. This is grain. A little of it because look at that. Look at that wheat. Anyways, look who just got out in the field. Little L3. That's my papa, Troy Jansen, in the L3. I wonder how fast he's going. I do. I wonder that. Todd and Anthony are right there. Behind me is Jason. In the case. Get out of the way! Move! Alright, it's... What time is it, Mom?
8:37.
Dad, any update you want to talk about?
Well, no.
We're not doing very well. We've got 3 machines running right now, and 2 are broke down, but they're gleaners, so they don't count. How's your machine running?
I'm not going to say anything about it, but this view looks really good of you.
Yeah, watch here. I'll do it too.
I saw that.
Hey, Dad, look up real quick.
That is a clear picture.
Yeah, look at that. As you can see, there's Jason. I guess he's being pretty stubborn because he's not turning his lights on. Getting too dark to see this thin wheat, but I guess I can go until the moonlight's out. And it is 9:43 p.m. Okay, Jason won only because I dumped on Todd and I got all that light in my face, and once he left it got extremely dark for my eyeballs. I mean, I think I won. I mean, he won. I don't know. I can't see him back there, but I didn't even have enough light to find my light switch. He doesn't even have his on yet. What an asshole, dude. Oh, there he goes. God dang it. Yeah, it's 10:24 p.m. Still June. It's June 30th, 2018. Still a bit windy out, so the L3 almost blew away. Good night. Woo! I wonder if it's loud in the clouds. I wonder if that's a song name, Loud in the Clouds. You might be wondering, why am I on the grain cart? I broke the 9610, and now I'm going to switch to that thing. Up is up and down is down on this machine. So that's gonna... Alright, it's 6:19 p.m. Shall we?
Yeah, the tractor's coming towards Mommy, so we're almost done.
And the cutest little boy in the world, Big Cheese.
Then that.
We're high.
What the heck? I have a mustache. This field's a bit muddy. All of these tracks of us trying to get in, but it's impossible. It's 10:58 a.m. This is Graham, right? Alright. June 2nd. Oh, I think your finger's on the camera on the back. Alright, so here's a broken down combine. It's on this field. And there's a broken down combine on that field. And over that hill there's the case that needs something on it. And there's another L on another field that needs a belt changed. Other than that, I think we're fine. John Deere, a PTO shaft kind of just snapped off. It's just some things broke. I don't know that L over there. I don't know what's wrong with it, but the case has some hose needs replaced. The hose. I'm on the Case IH 2188 International Combine. Oh my gosh, Jason's on the L3 that I was driving earlier because I had some people ride with me and I needed room. So now I guess I think he's really attached to that machine. Cut a total of 10 acres today, probably. I'm kidding, this is Joe, calm down. Mom. That's a coyote. That's so crazy. Animals are so crazy. I'm going 3.8 miles per hour in this L3 though, so that's coming. On the third different machine today, the 9610 finally got fixed. It's crazy. This. Wow. Wow. Happy 4th of July. Look at the caterpillars. Yep. It's July 5th, right, Jason?
Yeah, July 5th. Yeah. 10:30.
10:30. We're in the parade right now. Alright, it's July 5th. Yep, that's wheat back there. Oh, I killed my dad. I switched to green machines. The sickle mover broke. That's what it. Anyways, that's down the John Deere. We got 3 fields left. Saturday, July 7th, 11:05 a.m. I'm cutting grass right now. We're mowing. That's all we're doing. There happens to be wheat on top of it. We are done and headed to the next field. It's 4:46 p.m. on the same day as the previous vlog. This is the second to last field before we go do seed wheat. So awesome, right? Yeah, let's fucking go! Hell yeah! Woo! Yeah! There's Dad in the L3. He's cute. Look how cute he is in that. Jason. Me. It's 9 p.m. And Todd Jensen, my uncle, the grain cart driver, he died. Or went home. Or is going home tomorrow. Yeah. Look at this place with the horn right there. Right where my knee hits. I've scared myself quite a bit from the horn. So that's fun. Yep, this yeah, so there's our field. Look at these. Someone came through here and spread grass seed and weed seed, like marijuana seed, all over, and now we have to cut through it, and it's getting ridiculous. Look right there. And also, why does my voice not sound like my face looks? Where am I? Help! Dad! It's Sunday, July 8th, 2018, 9:16 or 15 or 14 p.m. And I'm cutting some wheat. I'm cutting wheat. I'm cutting seed wheat. This is the last field. And this is how much is left. So, pretty soon, oh, there's Papa in the grain cart. Gotta finish up some lagoons and things. But other than that, we done.
Mosquitoes are out.
State your name.
Troy Jansen.
So, how do you feel?
Darn glad we're done. And it was a pretty good harvest, but that hail sure knocked the production. And that's just how old Mother Nature works.
Least favorite part of this whole harvest and your favorite part?
L combines, and
Is the least or favorite?
it's the least. And having you guys out for harvest.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
I'd say my
guys.
favorite is just being with family and acting like you're doing something good. So I sure miss it. And I'd say the worst part was but other than that, yeah, it was a good harvest really. Hardly any breakdowns, I mean, compared to past years, and
It was weird.
Like you said, the production was down, but can't have it all,
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
But no, I appreciate the opportunity of being able to come and help, and till next year.
Yeah,
I guess.
in one year from
Yeah.
today,
One more year.
July 8th, we'll start next year.
Start.
Less than,
God.
less than 2 weeks.
Yeah, we got to beat our record.
Thank you.
Hours.
Yep.
So, yep.
Peace.
Peace.